Hi guys, and welcome back to another video, Chaffles for Life series. Today we're making a ham and cheese chaffle. And we're going to use a provolone cheese from Sargento. We'll take 2 eggs, a little bit of salt and pepper, whisk everything all together. And I'm going to take a couple of ham slices with a little bit of mayonnaise. And then, so without further ado, let's go right into the kitchen. And from this point on, it'll be music, and then we'll come back and we'll talk about it. So we are back, and welcome back. So we're going to have a sip of my favorite cup of coffee first. Always be kind, right guys? So anyways, Ron, if you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're a returning member, welcome back. And I'll have the correct episode for this one over the timeline. But I bought this book over here from Amazon called Keto Chaffles, and it's a really well-written book by Amy DeLauer, I guess. She has over 800 chaffle recipes with broken down by the macros, everything all in alphabetical order, very easy to find, very easy to make. But we made something similar to her version today, and this is kind of really my own creation, but based on her formula. But in her version of her ham and cheese, she didn't have any egg in it. But what I did with mine was I took 2 eggs and I whisked them, and I took a little bit of salt and pepper, and then I used the Sargento ultra thin cheese, and I took four slices, and then one was breaking it up, so I used that for the top of the chaffle, and then I put a nice couple slices of deli ham and a little bit of mayonnaise. Now let's have a bite of it. That's a really good sandwich. Now, getting back to the mayonnaise, use whatever you can afford. Right now we're using the Hellmann's, and I know the Hellmann's mayonnaise is one of my favorites, but also has sugar in it, so you got to be very, very careful what you buy. We're going to plan on making some more mayonnaise now that we're getting into the summer months, and as an alternative. And I have a video below the timeline. I'll put it up, and so you can show how easy it is to make mayonnaise. It's just basically 1 cup of oil, an egg, room temperature, a little bit of vinegar, a lemon juice, and some Dijon mustard, and I put a little bit of pickle juice in it, and good quality avocado oil, and use a stick blender or a blender. Just mix it all together till it forms mayonnaise, and put it in a mason jar, and you're good to go. And you can't ask for anything simpler than that, right? So yeah, so I'm starting a new job, and I'll let you know how that went and going, and when I'm still working by the time this video is posted. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, try, and let me know what your favorite Chaffle recipe is. And if you want me to make a Chaffle recipe for you that you haven't even heard it before, let me know, and I'll be glad to make it for you. So I'm going to let you guys go. I'm going to piece this all together and get it up there on the channel for you guys. But anyways, have a great day. Love you guys. Again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And remember, if anybody hasn't told you this, you are amazing.